it takes you right into your account. Now, at the bottom here, when you click on here, this is your dashboard. This is your dashboard, and you can click on here, which is for you to see your steps. Click here for you to sync whatever monitor you have for your sleeping patterns or sleeping habits. This is where you're going to be entering your weight. So you will choose the day that you've weighed in, click select, and then here enter your weight, your measurements. And there'll be a video in your calendar showing you how to take measurements. So this is where you would enter your measurements. Your neck, your shoulder, your chest. You don't have to worry about your bicep, forearm, your waist, and your hips. So all you'll need is neck, shoulder, chest, waist, hips. So 5 measurements. And then you would click save and go back. Now, next is for you to upload your photos. You're going to add photos by clicking on photos and then now take photos. This here will show you how to take your photos, which it shows you here. You're going to take a front, back, and side pose photo. Okay, so now you're in your dashboard and it says you're part of the group, which is for the challenge. You're going to click here, and this is where you're going to be able to message and see everyone's message here. Now, if there's a personal question that you don't want to put in the group chat, then what you do is you go back and you can message your trainer. Challenge begins on the 25th. You would have already taken your progress photos, your body stats, which is your measurements. And here is where you're going to click to get all the information you need for the challenge. We ask that anyone who is sedentary at the time to begin with the beginner level videos. And then you're just going to click start now. And this is how you enter how many reps you did. And if you used any dumbbells, you would put the amount of dumbbells there. And click start and save. And so what this is going to do is it's going to help you keep track of your progress. And it'll let us know too, that if you're struggling with any of the workouts, how we can actually improve or help you get through or offer you some other workouts.